Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube edition of HVAC Reefer Guy. And today I am super excited to announce my new relationship with ASCO torches. You can kind of see them right there, ASCO. And ASCO makes all sorts of torch equipment, and they're one of my newest partnerships through TruTech Tools. And so I really appreciate the guys over at TruTech Tools and Brian over at ASCO Torches. They are precision made torch equipment. And we're going to actually be talking about some ASCO stuff today and showing you some of the tools that they have and some of the cool stuff they have out that'll help you guys with what you got going on the HVAC side, and maybe you're on the plumbing side. And that's the goal, is to really help you guys out and get you guys some stuff out there. Now, I had a lot of comments on my email, which is hvacreeferguy@gmail.com. A lot of people really liked the unedited and just live and raw way that I do YouTube. And so I like doing it that way. We'll show the mistakes and we'll keep doing what you're looking for. But also check out my friends over at Solderweld. You can see them right there, Solderweld, at www.solderweld.us. Also right here we have Midwest Tools. You can see Midwest Tools, the right tool since 1945. And you can check them out at midwestsnips.com. And of course, Sporlan, can't go wrong with Sporlan. Check them out at sporlan.com. Now, a lot of people too have been looking at this guy right here, this poster. I actually make that in a sticker, and it's free. So if you email me at HVAC Reefer Guy and send me your email or your address, I'll send some stickers out your way that are absolutely free. That's just my way of paying it back to the blue collar worker. So today we're going to be talking about ASCO, right up there, ASCO. I'm going to slide some stuff right into the view of the camera because, you know, that's the kind of the positive feedback that I got from YouTube, which was you guys really liked me doing stuff live and showing it straight out, whether I made a mistake or not. It worked out extremely well. Now, the cool thing about the ASCO is everybody knows about ASCO turbo torches. Here's one of their turbo torch kits. They also make, they make a propane MAP gas adapter. You can see the propane MAP gas adapter if you're doing MAP gas. And then they also make the turbo torches. But you know, one of the things that guys complain to me about all the time on the turbo torches is that it's very loud. They tell me that the turbo torch is very loud, or they want to manipulate the flame. And one of the ways that they want to manipulate the flame is they'll go to an oxygen acetylene setup where they can fine tune the flame and get exactly the way they want to. But we all know that when you do oxygen acetylene, one of the bottle runs out, one runs more than others, or maybe one bottle oxygen goes before the acetylene, or vice versa. And before you know it, you end up with more oxygen and more acetylene, or more acetylene and oxygen on your spare bottles. And so, you know, the guys over at ASCO, they listen to you. They listen to everybody talk about it, and they listen to the fact that, you know, the turbo torch is loud and they can't manipulate the flame. So they came out with some torch tips that actually use acetylene only, but recreate the flame of an oxygen acetylene and give you that clean braze. Now you can see right here, I did a little practicing today. I did a little practicing filling in this hole, and we're gonna go ahead and torch on a piece of copper right now, and we're gonna show you what goes on with these new tips. And I'll probably try my best based upon time to show you the different flame heights and lengths and stuff, knowing that I'm only using acetylene. And hopefully this will get you maybe some answers, or get you the braze that you're looking for, or get you to do the work that you're wanting to do, and only have to use an acetylene bottle instead of an oxygen acetylene tank. Now for today, and actually all week I've been brazing, I've been using just an MC tank, a little tiny acetylene MC tank. You can kind of see it right there. And so we're gonna go ahead and torch and do some brazing right now and show you how great this works. Now, for today's test, I'm using the 15% round rod from Solderweld. And I really like the 15% round rod. I like the way it flows. It looks great. It comes out really clean. So I'm all set up on this. Oh, Oh, you know what I did? Hold on. That's what I get for being safe. I was actually safe and I shut the flame off, or shut the gas off. So you guys ready? Now look at that nice clean braze. Look at that flame. Very clean looking flame. You can see it right there. Look how beautiful that is. Looks just like an oxygen acetylene. Yeah, you can see it right here. A single hose. I'm only using acetylene. Gonna adjust that flame a little bit. We're gonna heat up this piece of pipe. Now I'm gonna do my best for you guys to be able to see it. Give a little more gas. Well, look how quiet that is. Look how clean it looks. I love that. I'm gonna get an oxygen acetylene style braze using this system from ASCO. Let's see if we're ready to take some solder. And I'll play with different size tips. Done. Look how beautiful that came out. Look how beautiful. And I can move this around, move my flame around, soften that up, and it's all done. Really a clean setup. So we have a little bit of time. I'll switch to a different tip. Here's a little bit bigger of a tip. Again, fits inside the torch with no problem in the handle. We're all locked into place. We're all ready to go. You ready? Here's a little bit bigger flame. Again, oxygen acetylene style flame. Really love the way this looks. Little bit bigger flame. But look at the way this looks. I'm getting oxygen acetylene brazing right here with no oxygen acetylene, just acetylene only, and using my 15% round rod. This is going to take a little faster. Done. Filled up that hole. And you can really move the flame around how you want. But look how beautiful that came out. And look at the tip. No burns on the end of the tip. That means that this tip is going to last a long time. And that's awesome. We're going to go, we'll go a little bit bigger, because bigger is always better. Here's the next one up. We'll get this guy in place. We'll get him set up. You guys ready? Oh yeah, a lot bigger flame. A lot noisier. This is more of a rosebud style flame. But a lot different. Look at the heat. I've got a lot more gas on there. And done. It sounds like, from the looks of the flame, this is a cool flame, but this may be better. These may be better for a B tank with a little bit more push. I mean, honestly, I'm going to go back to this guy right here. I'm going to go back to this guy right here. And this is the smaller tip. They're numbered. I just can't see. Actually, they are not numbered. I take it back. And we're going to go ahead and... I like this flame. I like the way this looks. You can really see it. So this is from the guys at ASCO. And so you can check them out at truetechtools.com, truetechtools.com. And use that promo code, HVAC guy, as a promo code, and you'll save 8% off the entire order. We're gonna fill this up. And that hole is filled, done. Awesome. Oh, I love that. I love the fact that I can do all of that without having to have an oxygen acetylene tank. And this is, here's the bottle. Here's what the bottle looks like. Just a basic setup, oxygen acetylene, the regulator, everything is set to go. You can see it's set to go. It's pressured on. I have it set for a high pressure, which I kind of like, but it's set to go. I'm still running a full tank. I've been doing a lot of brazing on this. I still have a full tank, and this is just using acetylene only on a B tank. And this is a great tool. I think if you guys are out there doing air conditioning and you want to get away from the turbo torch, and trust me, they have the turbo torch. It's right here. You can do all the turbo torch and things that you want, but if you want to finesse the braze and get a really beautiful braze out of it, get a nice flame to it, give yourself some oxygen, acetylene style brazing without the oxygen bottle, this is definitely the way that you're going to want to go. And they can be, you can see them at truetechtools.com, truetechtools.com, and they even make a rosebud. Look at the size of this guy. They make a rosebud and does the same job as you've seen before, and they even have a little tiny small tip. This small tip is fantastic. So if you're doing small 1/4 inch, you're doing small 3/8, maybe you're doing some stuff on a, maybe some plumbing, maybe some ice machine, water lines or things like that, and you want to take and do something like that. Here, look at the size of this flame. Look at that flame. Isn't that beautiful? That is fantastic. So you can check them out at ascotorch.com. That's ASCO-torch.com. And you can also go on to truetechtools.com, use promo code HVACGuy as the promo code and get 8% off the entire order. Make sure that you check everything out. If you're gonna get tools, this is definitely the way to go, is to get it through truetechtools.com. As always, if you have any questions, and man, it's hotter than crap here in Phoenix. I'm sweating so much. And my little man cave isn't air conditioned. Actually it is, but I have it turned off so that you don't hear any of the noise. You know what? Get a hold of me at hvacreeferguy@gmail.com. As always, work safe, be safe. Keep the comments coming, and I appreciate you guys so much. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Oh, and be good humans.